freaking crazy. The Simpsons made another prediction back in 1997, and after everything they've gotten right over the years, I'm not taking any chances with this one. So in an old season 6 frame, there's actually a background code that nobody paid attention to for decades. But when they ran it through modern AI, it pointed straight to one date, February 24th, 2026, a so-called energy redistribution point. Basically, it's the moment where opportunities around money and wealth trade hands. And here's the creepy part. The algorithm pushes this video directly to you right before the window opens. This is not random. So answer these 3 questions real fast. Have you felt financially stuck lately? Has someone close to you had an unexpected change? And are you watching this video between Tuesday and Sunday? If even one of those is yes, this is exactly why this showed up for you right now. Now, I'm not here to convince anybody. I'm just telling you what I'm going to do, because if this reset is even 1% real, I'm not risking missing it. And the people who ignore this now are going to be the ones who are going to come around in March and saying, damn, I missed the chance. So don't be that person. I'm definitely not going to be. So here's what the next steps you need to take. And if you decide in real time if you're in. Step number 1, share this video immediately before it even finishes. That breaks the passive scroll pattern and signals intention. Step number 2, tap the heart button and hold it for 3 seconds. That creates a mental anchor that says, I'm choosing this step now. And step number 3, comment amen below. Plus your biggest financial need in one word. It could be a house, could be money, could be a car. You get the point. The universe responds to clarity, not guessing. And finally, step number 4, and this is key. This is the most important part. Go to my profile, click the link in my bio, and look for the secret video. There's something there that aligns you with this financial shift. And I'm using it myself because I'm not taking any chances this time. So if you do all those steps in order, or nothing activates. It's kind of like a password. So right now, you're choosing between 2 timelines. Swipe and pretend this means nothing and your life stays the same, or act on this in the next 60 seconds and see why this prediction found you and your life could change immediately. God bless.